Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Let's solve this question now. Let us consider the shaded region shown below, bounded by the curve y equals x minus 2 squared, and the coordinate axes, the lines x equals 0 and y equals 0, expressed as an integral. Do not evaluate the integral. The volume of the solid generated by revolving this region about the following lines, okay? And we don't have, not to this degree, we don't have this O here, okay? Anyway, we will solve in red. Uh, these are the lines that we will find the volume by revolving the region around them, okay? Y equals 0, the x-axis, the y-axis, the x-axis y equals 0, the y-axis x equals 0, the line x equals 3, okay? So parts B and C are vertical lines, the y-axis and the line x equals 3. For part A, it's horizontal line, the x-axis. In part A, we will integrate with respect to x because it's horizontal line, okay? But in parts B and T with respect to y because they are vertical lines, okay? So in parts B and C, we'll integrate with respect to y, so we need to express the function in terms x equals function of y, okay? See here, we have y equals x minus 2 squared. How to solve it for x? Like this. Put the square root on both sides. So x minus 2 equals plus or minus y, okay? Then add 2 to both sides. You have x equals 2 plus or minus square root of y, okay? How to see which one is this red or this green? You simply find points. See here, y, x, 2 minus square root of y. Substitute y equals 0 and 2 minus square root of y. But let's correct something here. Here x equals 2 minus square root of y, okay? So substitute y equals 0, you get 2. Substitute y equals 1, you get 1. Substitute y equals 4, okay? 4 is not included here, so just solve until you have y equals 1, okay? If we substitute y equals 4, yes, it's here. We get 0, okay? Because 2 minus square root of 4 is 0. So assign this, put these points on the coordinate plane. Here you have xy equals 2, 0. Xy equals 1, 1. Xy equals 0, 4. You can, this table, you can do it in your head. You don't have to write it. I mean, this is just for understanding. I'm writing it. For the green one, the same idea. Substitute y equals 0, you get 2. Substitute y equals 1, you get 3. X equals 3, I mean, okay? So you can understand them like this. Or if you want, you can rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. So it will become like this. Here you have x axis, okay, and here the y axis. I have rotated it 90 degrees to left. You can say counterclockwise, okay? So y value is here 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And for x values, you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start with this one. When y equals 0, I got 2, okay? Here. Y equals 1, I get 1. No, again, let's say it slowly. Y equals 0, x equals 2. So here, y equals 1, so 1 here, okay? Y equals 4, 0 here, okay? So it's like this. Now the green one, substitute y equals 0. you get 2. Substitute y equals 1, you get 3. Substitute y equals 4, you get here 4. Rotate now clockwise 90 degrees, you get the same graph again. Okay, this is just for understanding. You can understand it just by plotting some points, so it's easy. Okay, now let's start. The x-axis, the cross section is circle with radius. Okay, with radius what? With radius r equals y top minus y bottom. Okay, so equals, let's see, so x minus 2 squared minus 0 minus 0 equals x minus 2 squared. Now let's write the formula for integration. V equals pi integral, we are integrating around horizontal line, so x value, we are integrating over x. So from 0 to 2, see here the shaded region, so from 0 to 2, from 0 to 2, r squared dx equals pi integral 0 to 2 x minus 2 squared dx equals pi integral 0 to 2 x minus 2 to 4 dx. And here, let's stop here.